I'm Sumit Verma, CEO and co-founder of Reagent. Reagent is an agriculture technology company. We make agriculture sustainable and efficient. In 1971, then US Secretary of Agriculture Earl Birch expressed these harsh words. Before we go back to organic agriculture in this country, somebody must decide which 50 million Americans we are going to let starve or go hungry. The skepticism about organic agriculture still prevails. It's inefficient. Despite its environmental health and societal benefits, organic agriculture occupies only 1.5% of global agricultural land. I worked in the chemicals industry for over 10 years, and I knew how desperate farmers were for better organic solutions. Reagent is on a mission to satisfy that huge need. Our product is a soil additive that can be sold either crystallized or condensed in water. It's no more expensive than the existing treatments it will replace. We will sell directly to large growers and through distributors to small growers. We have four greenhouse trials underway, working with agriculture universities and field trials to follow. These trials are with soybean, kale, wheat, and we have already completed our trial in peanuts. In these trials, we are going head to head with products from companies that investors know very well: Pivot, Indigo, Syngenta, Concentric Ag, and so on. And we are confident we have a superior product. We also have a scale up partnership with the fermentation company Osprey Biotechnics. We have also initiated partnerships with many large agriculture companies. We have really been successful opening those doors. And we have LOIs with several ag networks and companies eager to test reagent in field trials. So, what's our secret to this rapid success? Our fundamental insight hacks into the idea that every plant has evolved to move and find optimum soil. Their genetic mechanisms, their immune system, their upregulation of genes, all hunt for the signal: this is the place. This is the place to grow. Plants get this signal from metabolites that come off soil bacteria. Our competitors over the last couple of decades have tried to improve this natural process by concentrating soil bacteria. But that approach is missing something. What we discovered is that soil bacteria have what you might think of as two circuits for growth signaling metabolites. Conventional organic soil supplements were turning only one of these circuits on. The second circuit was off. We discovered that about 15 genes in soil bacteria are co-regulated, and they activate in the presence of a particular natural compound. By including that compound in our mix, our soil bacteria switch on their second circuit and crops grow far better. We have filed patents on this mechanism on 4 continents. Our European patent has been granted, and this bodes well for us because European patent review is much more stringent than in North America. You can see reagents impact in the roots as well as overall growth of our crops. This peanut trial was performed in Alabama, and we were going head to head against a conventional farmer product. In this trial, plant dry weight, which is an indication of plant growth, increased by up to 30%. You can see how much deeper and thick our roots are. That peanut plant has really found its home in the Alabama soil. And here is our soybean root from a greenhouse trial at Auburn. As you can see, the soybean treated with reagent had a huge increase in the number of root nodules. When roots have sufficient nodules, plants get the required nutrition, optimizing plant growth and produce per acre. Now, I said we found these about 15 co-regulating genes in soil bacteria. But that soil bacteria isn't one strain. It's over 100 strains, all of whom have those 15 genes. This means Our approach will work with over 100 different growth promoting strains of bacteria. And in turn, this will allow us to target hundreds of different crops, something that's been very important to growers as well as ag networks. The $200 billion agro inputs market is largely agrochemicals based, and biologicals has a very small share in it. By covering all major crops, Reagent will help farmers all over the world scale organic agriculture in a manner that is acceptable to the growers, the consumers, and the environment. We have a stellar team with experience in scientific research as well as its commercialization. Professor Frederick Srienk has 3 decades of experience in bioengineering and biomaterials. He developed technology to optimize bacterial fermentation. Dr. G.L. Rao is a plant biotechnologist with academic and industrial experience in the development of plant biostimulant formulation. I worked in the chemicals industry for over 10 years in technology commercialization, marketing, and sales. And in our advisory team, we have experts from academia and industry. Dave Warner, a former executive of Indigo, Corteva, and Monsanto, advises us on our go-to-market strategy and has helped us in building our distribution partnership. Professor Mark Lyles helps us in trials and product optimization. And Professor David Muller is a soil science expert and precision agriculture expert. He is helping us build our soil expertise that will give us a competitive advantage in the market. Our next 18 months includes scaling up our production with a fermentation partner and conducting field trials in North America and Brazil. Reagent is on a mission to make agriculture sustainable. Thank you.